Hi, I'm Malik, this is first tutorial and song I'm Yours. In this video you'll find 3 variations of playing this song on guitar. Strumming. Easy. Chords. G, D with F sharp, E minor, and C. Intro. First and second strings slide from 7th fret to 9th fret, this one, and chord G, and again D. Third and second string slide, this one, and E minor, and third and second string just and C, and verse. First verse. Well, you turned on me, you bet I felt it. Tried to chill, but just sort of melted. Feel right to the ground, and I'm trying to get back. And again. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. And again. And then you'll need this chord, A with C. So this one. I'm yours, nobody subscribe me like me, you. And it's all. It's all. So, if you haven't couple B, F sharp, G sharp minor, and E. Well, you done on me, but I felt it. Tried to show, just sort of melted. I feel right to the ground, and I'm trying to get back again. And you can't replace this chord on this chord. This is B and this is B2, and this chord on this chord. So, and so again, and B, and E. Well, you turned on. And next we began this song from B, and we can to begin from C, and Well, you turned on me, but I felt it. Tried to be chill, but just sort of melted. Feel right to the cracks, and I'm trying to get back on this chord, on this, as you wish. So C, G, A minor, and F or F7. Rhythm, this one. And fifth chords, this one. And it's all. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Good luck.